Black Pride Movement Apparel Review. Is this clothing brand legit? If you've seen Black Pride Movement Apparel online and you're wondering whether it's a legitimate brand worth supporting or just another print-on-demand operation cashing in on a movement, this review breaks it all down for you. Black Pride Movement Apparel positions itself as a culturally driven clothing brand celebrating Black identity, pride, and community. The brand's messaging is strong and intentional, and there is clearly a target audience that connects deeply with what it represents. But beyond the messaging, the real question is whether the products and the business itself back up that identity. Starting with the product range, the brand offers apparel including t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories featuring designs that speak to themes of Black empowerment and cultural pride. The designs themselves are bold and visually distinctive, which is a positive for anyone looking for statement pieces that reflect their values. The quality of the actual garments is a mixed picture based on available customer feedback. Some buyers report being satisfied with the print quality and fabric, while others have noted that the items feel more like standard print-on-demand products rather than premium pieces. That gap between expectation and reality is worth keeping in mind when browsing the higher price points. Shipping times have also been flagged by some customers as longer than expected. It is a common issue with smaller independent brands that rely on third-party fulfillment, and while it doesn't make the brand illegitimate, it's something to factor in if you need items by a specific date. Customer service responsiveness appears to be adequate based on available reviews, with most issues eventually being resolved. That's reassuring at least. From a legitimacy standpoint, Black Pride Movement Apparel does appear to be a real and operating business. It has a maintained online presence, functional ordering systems, and genuine customer interaction, which are the markers of a legitimate brand. Whether it's worth your money ultimately comes down to how much you value the mission and messaging alongside the product itself. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Black Pride Movement Apparel is a legitimate brand with a meaningful mission and visually strong designs that resonate with its community. Product quality is decent but may feel average for the price point depending on your expectations. Shipping times could be improved, particularly for buyers with time-sensitive needs. If the cultural message matters as much as the clothing to you, the brand is worth supporting, but go in with realistic expectations about the product tier.